moments I once missed, learning how a single life can teach eternity to ache like this. Your voice still guides my weary feet, a compass carved in memory. Love is not the time we have,